Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home and enjoying your Corona holidays, right? Yes, dears. Have you all had your breakfast? Yes. Today we are going to see a new lesson, okay? I am your social science teacher in Vittle Matriculation School. We already studied one lesson. Yes, last class we studied about kingdoms of river. Kingdoms of river. Today, second lesson, 5 landforms. 5 landforms. Take page number 135. Page number 135. Unit 2, the lesson name is 5 landforms. 5 landforms. Today we are going to see about what are the 5 landforms and their types, their classification, okay dears, and the lifestyles of the people, how they lived in that landform. Okay, are you excited for the today's session? Yes dears. Shall we start the session? Okay. This is a picture of landforms. Yes. The learning objectives are to know about different types of landforms in ancient Tamil Nadu. To know about different types of landforms in ancient Tamil Nadu, to know about the themes of classification of landforms, to understand the lifestyle of people in different landforms of Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to see the different types of landforms in ancient Tamil Nadu, which means in the past. Okay dears, in the past. So, today we are going to see about the different types, the themes of classification of landforms, and also today we are going to understand the lifestyle of people in different landforms of Tamil Nadu. Introduction. What is the name of your native place? My dear children, do you know what is the name of your native place? In which district is your native place situated? And also, what do you see around your house? What do you see? Which means nearby house, plants, trees, schools, colleges, which all we see near your house. You have to ask your mom or dad today itself, what is the name of your native place and in which district is your native place situated? What do you see around your house? This is today's homework, dears. You have to write it, okay? You have to ask your mom or dad and know the native place and which district you are situated and what do you see around your house, and write it on the note and send it to our group. Okay dears? Shall we start the lesson? Yes. We see fields, houses, trees, stones and dry lands around our house. What we see around our house? This is the example for third question on our answer. Okay dears? What do you see around your house? This is a model for you. Okay dears? we see field, houses, trees, stones and dry lands around our house. Yes, we all see these things near our house. We all found stones, trees, plants, houses, schools, colleges like that and dry lands, which is a past land around our house. We see more features like this on our earth. Yes, we see like this. More features we see near our house in our earth. Hill, forest, field, seashore, dry land. First question, where would you see more hills on the earth? Where would you see more hills? Where we find more hills? In the mountains only we see more hills on the earth. Okay dears? Do you know what is hill? Here is a diagram. Hill, Malai, Malaigal. This is hill. Okay dears? Where would you see more hills on the earth? Mountains. Okay. Second one. Where would you see wild animals with more trees? More trees are found in forest. Forest consists of trees and animals. Okay. Example for forest is here. This is forest, kaadu. And third one, where does the paddy grow? Where does the paddy grow? The paddy grows in agricultural land. Paddies grow in agricultural land. This is an example for agricultural land. Example for agricultural land. வயல் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் agricultural land. So, where does the paddy grow? The paddy grows in agricultural land. Fourth one, where would you see the seashore? Where would you see the seashore? Seashore we found in sea, beach. Did you all go to beach once in your lifetime? Did you even see the beach? Here is an example for a beach, seashore. For a clear view, this is a beach. This is Marina Beach. Marina Beach is found in Chennai. Yes, this is beach. Okay dears, this is beach. Yes, are you able to see? Yes. So, where would you see the seashore? Sea, beach. Fifth one, what is the name of useless land? What is the name of useless land? Fallow land. F-A-L-L-O-W. Fallow land, which means useless land. Here you see dry land, which is useless land or fallow land. Okay dears, the places we see on the surface of the earth is called landform. The places we see on the surface of the earth, we live inside the earth planet, right dears? So on the surface of the earth, we see the place called landform. Okay? We are in the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is called a landform. Clear, dears? What is landform? The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landform. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Repeat after me. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. What is landform? The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Now let us see how the land was divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu according to its fertility and people's activities. Now we are going to see how the land is divided into different types in ancient Tamil Nadu, which means past Tamil Nadu times. Physical features and landforms of Tamil Nadu. Physical features and landforms of Tamil Nadu. In the solar family, Earth is the third planet. Do you know what are the 8 planets in the solar family? Do you know? Today it is your assignment. You have to write the 8 planets plus these 3 questions. Okay, dears? So, Earth is the third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Here is a diagram of Earth, which is the third planet. It consists of oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. How we call the Earth? We call the Earth as biosphere. In the solar family, Earth is the third planet. It consists of oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. What is called as biosphere? The Earth is called as biosphere. The Earth is surrounded by 3 spheres such as land, water and air. The Earth is surrounded by how many spheres? The Earth is surrounded by 3 spheres. It consists of land, water and air. Here is a diagram. Land, water, air, fire and sky. It is called as 5 elements of nature. What are the 5 elements of nature? Land, water, air, fire and sky. Now we are going to see about land. Physical features of the land. What are the physical features of the land? It consists of 5 different physical features of the land. What are they? Mountain, forest, plain, seashore, dry land. Repeat after me. What are the 5 physical features of the land? Mountain, forest, plain, seashore and dry land. These are the 5 physical features of the land. Landforms of Tamil Nadu. The 5 types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of the work done by the people. The 5 types of landforms in Sangam age were divided. How they are divided? They divided on the basis of the work done by the people. How they done their work? According to that, the Sangam age landforms were divided. Out of the 5 thinais, thinai is nothing but landform. Out of the 5 thinais, only 4 types were permanent. Thinai is nothing but landforms. Okay dears? 5 thinais. What are the 5 thinais? Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. Here is a 5th land, Palai. Okay dears, out of the 5 thinais, only 4 types were permanent. What they say? Only 4 types were permanent. What are the 4 major permanent types? Means Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. These are the 4 types which is permanent. The 5th one, the 5th land is Palai, were formed when Kurinji and Mullai dried up. Okay dears, the first 2 things dried up to form Palai. Is it clear dears? What are the 5 thinais? Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. It is a 2-mark question. Make it clear. Repeat after me dears. What are the 5 thinais? There are 5 thinais. They are Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. Palai. Spelling Kurinji. Kurinji. Mullai. 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 Marudam. 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 Neidal. 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 Palai. 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 Okay dears, what are the 5 thinais? They were Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Mountains. Kurinji land. Okay, one of the example is Kurinji land. Example for mountain is Kurinji land. Here is an example. This is a mountain. A mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. A mountain is a large area, right? So it is a large geographical area that arises above the surrounding land with peaks, taller height. Peaks means taller height. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. First thinai, Kurinji thinai. What is Kurinji means? The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. Clear about Kurinji land, right? The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. What is Kurinji land? The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurinji land. The theme about Kurinji land. Okay dears, the theme. The theme means Karuporul. The theme means Karuporul. It is the meaning in Tamil. Okay. The meaning of theme is கருப்பொருள். Deals with the god, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird and musical instrument. Now we are going to see about the goddess, people, about the people, what are the occupation they followed, the plants, flowers, animals, birds which located in the Kurinji Tinai, okay, and the musical instrument, what are the musical instruments they do, okay dears. About the Kurinji land, their god is Murugan. Kurinji land god is Murugan. People are called as Kuravar, Kurathiyar. Kuravar, Kurathiyar. Their occupation is hunting, gathering roots and honey. Honey means teen. Gathering roots. Root means where. Plant or flower. Bamboo, vengai or Kurinji flower. There lived animals and birds. What are the animals? Monkey, deer. Birds, peacock, parrot. Okay dears. Their musical instrument is Kurinji yawl. Kurinji yawl. Here is a diagram. Murugar. They are Kuravar. Here is a one man gathering honey, bamboo, monkey, peacock. Okay dears. Now we are going to see about the people and their occupation. Poruppan. Poruppan means soldier. Verpan, leader of the tribe, weaponist. Those who have weapon are called as Verpan. Silamban, master of martial arts, the arts of fighting. The art of fighting is called Silamban. Those who know the art of fighting are called Silamban. Kuravar, hunter and the gatherer are called as Kuravar. Kanavar, the people of the mountainous forest are called as Kanavar. The people of the mountainous forest are called as Kanavar. Third one, the soil of the Kurinji land. The land of Kurinji land was composed of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. It consists of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. The soil of Kurinji land was composed of red and black soil which is stone pebbles. Example is stones, pebbles. Some important hills of Tamil Nadu. What are the hills you know? Jinji Hills, Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris Hills, Jabad Hills, Pachai Malai. These are some of the important hills. The soil of Kurinji land is red and black soil. Okay dears. Here comes miraculous flower, which is Kurinji poo. This is a Kurinji poo. This is one of the rare flower. Okay dears. This miraculous Kurinji plant grows well in the western gates and the flower blooms once in 12 years. It blooms once in 12 years. About 12 years it only blooms once. Okay dears. So it is a rare flower. We could not see this in our streets. Okay dears, so it is a rare flower. It blooms once in 12 years between the months of July and September. It blooms only once during July and September in 12 years. This flower has medicinal value. It consists of many medicinal value. Okay dears, this is one 2 mark. What are the 5 thinais? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Okay, and today your assignment is you have to write the name of your native place. In which district is your native place situated? What do you see around your house? You have to ask this to your mom or dad and write your homework. Then what are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the 8 planets. You have to ask your mom or dad or search and then write in a notebook. This is your assignment, and here comes one 2 mark question. Okay dears, 5 thinais, Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal, Palai. So you have to write neatly on the note and send it in our group. Okay dears, you have to write it neatly and clearly. I am expecting all your answers and exciting to see your handwriting. So write it clearly. Also, those who have not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Thank you children.